We're live on YouTube. We just got to connect Facebook. Okay.
Woo.
Woo. I love the days when the technology takes a long time to connect, and Kathy and I are smiling.
Like our sore cheeks now.
Yeah, we're too tired to actually tell you any information, but no, it's good. Welcome to the High River District Healthcare Foundation social media channels. I'm Jody, and Kathy from the foundation office joins us today because we are a mere 4 days away from Healthcare Heroes Day 2022. And I don't know about you, Kathy, but that feels like it came up real quick.
Oh, it sure did. Absolutely. Where has 2022 gone?
I don't know.
Let alone how is it May? But we're excited to celebrate our third annual Healthcare Heroes Day coming up this Thursday. So really looking forward to it. And looks like the sun is going to shine. So that will help with all our activities planned.
Absolutely. So coming into the third year, I mean, we first launched this at the beginning of the pandemic in a way to just kind of help step up morale, bring up the spirits of those working in healthcare, because we know it was a really trying time. And 3 years later, still the same concept, but I feel like it'll feel a little bit different this year.
Absolutely. I look at it a little bit more, Judy. Here in the foundation office, we hear time and time again about the incredible care that people have received for themselves or for their family. And, as much as we try to share those stories, it's not always easy. So Healthcare Heroes Day is absolutely an opportunity for everyone in the community to share their gratitude or appreciation, be thankful for, the care they've received, and just to be able to give that back to the people who have given them that care. So like you said, it started as kind of lifting up. It continues as we try to lift up our staff, but also I think allowing everyone that opportunity to say thank you and show their appreciation.
Well, I know if people have been following along our monthly healthcare conversations, we've had a lot of incredible guests over the last few months sharing those stories. And people, same way, have wanted to be able to give back and give thanks to those who've stepped up on a number of different levels, both in Nanton and High River, for our healthcare teams. And so this day becomes an annual day of celebration. And Kathy, how can people get involved to be a part of the fun?
Yeah, so for the general public out there, I encourage you. Number one, probably the easiest thing is to register for a Healthcare Heroes sign. Simply go to our website, highriverhealthfoundation.ca. It's a simple click of a form and fill in a couple of things, and we will deliver either a window or a lawn sign to you on May 4th, and we'll pick it up on May 9th. So I think that's the easiest way to show that, and knowing that people will be driving around your neighborhoods that'll see that, and obviously around the hospital and our facilities in Nanton, Silver Willow Lodge and the healthcare center and the health unit here and the mental health building, we will be putting signs up for sure. But that's one very easy way. The other way to do that is we're going to put out display boards with messages of gratitude and thanks. So 2 ways. Again, visit our website, and there's a virtual message board where you just literally type in your message. The staff can visit that and read all those messages. Or if you had something you wanted to do, some people like that pen and paper, just drop it off at the hospital here to the attention of the foundation office, and we will make sure it gets displayed on our display boards in our facilities.
Well, and it's one of those fun things that you can do with the kids and have conversation about with your families about what our local healthcare teams continue to do on a daily basis in our community. It was highlighted really easily, I guess, when the pandemic was here, or if you're somebody who has had an experience where you've had to utilize a local healthcare team. But for any of the families who maybe haven't had to use the emergency room or been to a clinic or something of late, this gives you an opportunity to educate your kids about all the cool things happening in healthcare in our rural communities.
Absolutely, it does, Jody. And, we are so incredibly lucky to have the number of services and programs available in our smaller community when we look at High River and Nanton and the things that are available. And that is in a good part, thanks to our community who contribute to the foundation and to allow us to bring some of those services and enhance programs to these facilities.
Awesome. So Thursday's the big day. That's when, people are going to be highlighting things the most, maybe sharing on social media. Anything else happening that day?
We've got lots going on inside for the staff. They're going to be greeted first thing in the morning as they come and go from from the morning shift with Colossi's coffee and some treats. We've got special treats being delivered to all the units. What else do we have coming? We have some raffles going on. We're encouraging our staff to listen to Sun Country, who has had a number of community members record special messages to our healthcare team here in High River and Nanton. And we will also be doing similar things in Nanton, a little bit different timeline just because we can't be in two places at one time. But we'll have lots of the stuff going on in Nanton. We also have a couple surprise visitors coming to the hospital, but I don't want to say who or what they are.
Ooh, that's
Leave it a
exciting. Well,
surprise. Yeah.
stay tuned to the social media channels because we'll let you know day of kind of what's happening there. But I guess, Kathy, I know that we've had an opportunity to sort of talk about this in the past, but the impact that doing something like this, what does it make for the staff and the local teams? Like why, I mean, I think it seems obvious why we would go to all the effort, but I know that you and the rest of the team have gotten some great feedback over the last couple of years.
Absolutely. It's really quite heartwarming. When we get to go out and we get to deliver the treats and serve them some coffee and how appreciative they are. And it's amazing what a small little gesture or a message of thanks can, I think we all experience in that in our day-to-day living. But if someone can just go that extra mile to with an expression of thanks or a cup of coffee, it just goes a long way to making someone's day, to brighten them day, which it's all about, just brightening the day, bringing some joy to them, and just knowing that the work they do is so greatly appreciated.
Yeah. It's just an opportunity to say thank you to people who don't always hear those two words.
Absolutely. It
Yeah.
is. Yes.
Okay.
And yeah,
Anything else?
I think just, invite everyone from the communities, both in Nanton and High River, to participate. And there's lots of simple ways to do that. As I said, visit the website down there, highriverhealthfoundation.ca, sign up for a sign or send a special message along on one of our message boards.
Awesome. All right. Well, we thank you for taking some time to chit chat with us about it. And we look forward to seeing what people do. I know there's been some really cool homemade signs in the past and people decorated their communities in cool ways. So we'll see if that happens again this year too. And if so, and you post something on your social media, be sure to tag us here at the foundation because we would love to share what you're doing to celebrate in your neighborhood. We think that's so cool. So keep it up, have some fun, and find out more at highriverhealthfoundation.ca.
Help us celebrate. Thanks, everybody.